Hey, it's Ken Dizzle and welcome back. This is my solar journey and we're going straight into the data of my system. So I've got a 3.85 kilowatt system. Here's my orientation and this is my total production that I will make in a year. So let's look at the December figures for 2022. Now I was installed on the 9th of December. So not a great deal of energy being generated, but here's the data here. Somehow I've managed to generate 48 kilowatts of electricity. Fantastic. Now you can see that there were some peaks and there were some days where I've had hardly any electricity at all. Now here's my total usage for the total month of December. It's only 21 days. Now I've made 46 kilowatts of electricity and my total consumption for the 21 days is 162 kilowatts. So you can see that I've got a usage of around about 29%. Now I'm using about 8 kilowatts of electricity per day. Now at 34 pence per kilowatt, that's £2.72 a day. So over a year, that's £1,000. So if I can just generate 50% of that, that's £500 savings. Fantastic. Now I'm going to take 4 kilowatts as a worst case scenario, but in reality, at peak conditions, my panels are going to be generating 3.85 kilowatts every hour. My inverter can produce or process 3.6 kilowatts every hour. Now, here's some of my data from January. Now, the first few days, again, I haven't really peaked higher than 3.5 kilowatts. So this is kind of where I expect it to be in this time of year, in winter. Now, there are some pretty dismal days, as you can see. But it's January. I wasn't expecting to get this system installed until at least March, April. So anything I get now is really just free energy. So let's take a closer look at the weather. It's not been great, but somehow we've managed to get 9 days of sun in December. Amazing. Now, we're only talking peaks of like 6 degrees. Luckily, lifetime tan, the sun isn't really a concern for me, but that has managed to put around about 6 kilowatts into my battery on the good days. So I'm looking quite good. Now, for the nerds out there who want to dive into my data a little bit more, here's a graph. Feel free to pause the screen so you can dig in a little deeper, but you can see my usage doesn't really peak over 9 kilowatts. At the moment, I'd probably say I'm averaging where I kind of want to be, about 25 to 30%, and hopefully when the sun kicks in, that'll be way into the 50%. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, please comment below, let us know what you're doing, and yeah, thanks.